phone buzzes. A message appears. Phase 2 begins. Then it hits you. That contract was never about money. It was about control. You run back to that room, desperate. The same table, the same chair, but no one is there. Only one thing remains. The contract. You read the last line, something you didn't notice before.
You don't own your life anymore.
Your phone buzzes again. Return required. You look around. The lights flicker. The door locks. And, for the first time, you realize you didn't sell your soul. You gave away your freedom.